So today we did a EVO FIT Android entertainment system upgrade on a Skoda Rapid. This is a 9-inch touchscreen. This is the top-end configuration that we have. It's got an Intel processor as well as 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. As you can see, the user interface is our custom EVO FIT interface, in which you have the shortcuts for your video navigation, Play Store, etc. And also if you hit on the Android logo, it pulls up the apps. The movement is super fast, very smooth. It's got a capacitive HD touchscreen. This system supports video in motion as well as you can block video in motion. So if I hit on video, this car has been upgraded with a full audio setup too, so it produces excellent sound quality. And if you see, the Canbus controls, steering controls are working perfectly. We could select here and basically go select a different track to play and stuff. So whatever is stored on the USB drive internally, that will basically can be shown up here. To watch online videos, we can install apps like YouTube, etc. Alright. The system has an interesting feature too. This is called picture in picture. So we can continue doing something else, whereas the video will continue to play something. We can place it at different parts of the screen and go on. The system comes with inbuilt navigation, which is Google Maps. So basically we have Google Maps right here like a tab, and it's picked up our location and we could just start navigating based on our Google login. It will have our previous locations which we went to, and history of navigation, home, work, etc. So if you see, basically if we hit this up, just like a usual tab, we'll just pull up navigation. Right now the sounds have been stopped in this. We could keep it as important exclamations, and it will give us directions only in important points. It also has picture-in-picture for GPS. So if we click on this, it continues to show the directions, whereas we can continue doing something else. Okay, let's close this. Play Store is inbuilt, so we can install apps of our choice. Video apps, music apps, connected home. Like if you have a Google Home app, which you can install here, and you can control your things which Google allows you to control remotely. So instead of using your phone, like just before you reach home, you could just put on the lights or something like that. This has inbuilt DSP and 32-band graphic equalizer, so produces some excellent sound. Really fine changes can be made to the music using this. The system actually has a host of things which displays through the canvas. So if you notice now, the handbrake display is showing the outside temperature from the sensors, then the current battery voltage, how much of fuel is left in the car, how much the car has run, all of that. If I pull up the handbrake now, you see it just shows that the handbrake's engaged. So nifty set of features, interesting stuff which you can see from the car. If I open any of the doors, you see it just displays. I would open the other side door and that would display. So it indicates door, dicky, everything. This car was a top-end variant of the Skoda Rapid, so it had a factory fit reverse camera which also integrates through Canbus. So if I just engage reverse, you'll see that the factory reverse camera is displaying here. Even the original sensors are displaying here. And if we don't want to see it for now, we can slide it out. If I turn the steering, there are adaptive guidelines which basically help us to park better, all working through Canvas. The system also supports lossless music formats. So if I hit on this, it just pulls up some music that we already have on board. So we could go into list and select different songs and stuff. We can go to a list of folders to select our music and stuff. So we could keep offline music as well as online music. We could install apps like Spotify and stuff, or YouTube Music. That makes it very handy. So you have the same copy of your music everywhere. System does come with Bluetooth too. Right now our phone is actually connected. I have connected an iPhone to this device. Another interesting feature which only comes on the top-end variant is basically inbuilt CarPlay and Android Auto. Usually Android-based systems do not come with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, but this one comes with it inbuilt. So now Apple CarPlay has launched, and this is working completely wirelessly. You see my iPhone's right there. Nothing's connected to it. So this works wireless CarPlay through Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So on the touchscreen we can move between the different sections of CarPlay and basically choose different apps, GPS, music management. I can use voice commands too, like saying, "Hey Siri, take me to MG Road."
Getting directions to NH75 Bengali.
So it just picks up the location.
Starting
and
route to NH75.
So this is Apple Maps.
Head west on First Main Road, then turn right onto Cambridge Main Road.
If I would like to, I can use Google Maps too. So I could go here and choose Google Maps, and instead of Apple Maps, it'll use, "Hey Siri, stop the navigation." We could also use Spotify to play music. So basically you could just go to a history of different musics and play, and this picks up the music right from the iPhone. So if you see, it's playing from there wirelessly with beautiful sound quality. Alright, hit back and let's go to home, and if we hit on the car logo, it gets out of Apple CarPlay. The system has an interesting feature too. We could turn off the screen while driving, so music could continue playing as it is. Like for example, I could play music here and screen's off, music continues to play. For highway drives there is a screensaver option also. If you'd like to learn more about this system, you can get in touch with us. If you'd like to purchase this, you could pick it up on evo-retrofits.in, or for more information, come to evo-blr.com or give us a call. And I hope you have a nice day too.